Oh, yeah.
Look at!
Wow.
Excavators are used to dig and remove rocks and soil. Bulldozers are used to push soil, sand, snow, rubble, or rock during construction or conversion work. Dump trucks are used to transport dirt, rocks, and sand. Cranes are used to pick and carry.
No.
Woohoo! Good job! Good job, purple. Color blue, good job. What color is this?
Black.
Good job, black. What color is that?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Azul.
Goodbye.